Welcome to the How-To video series by Massey Ferguson. In this video, we will explore together how to use our extended Fieldstar 5 display. This dual-screen setup offers you the flexibility to transfer your precision farming applications to the Fieldstar 5 terminal, while still being able to view your machine parameters or isobus implements in the Datatronic 5. Just like on the Datatronic 5, you access applications via the main menu. You can swipe the screen left or right to switch between functions. On first use, the main menu displays only the isobus and camera functions. On the left side, you'll find the main settings of the screen, similar to those on the Datatronic 5, including the calculator, note-taking, and system settings, which mirror those made in the Datatronic 5. To fully utilize the potential of this second screen, start by transferring the guidance, implement settings, section control, rate modulation, and task control functions from the Datatronic 5 to the Fieldstar 5. To do this, go to the System Settings menu in the Datatronic 5. Since the Fieldstar 5 is connected, the icon for transferring precision farming functions will be present in the menu. Click on it and wait for both screens to reboot. It can take some time. Once the screens have rebooted, the new function layout will be visible. Guidance, section control, rate modulation, task control, and implement characteristic settings are now available only on the Fieldstar 5. These menus will no longer appear in the Datatronic 5. For example, you can now display the guidance page on the Fieldstar 5 and the interface of your isobus implement on the Datatronic 5. This way, you always have an eye on the important information regarding the application you are performing. All functions operate and are configured the same way as on the Datatronic 5. Learn how to use them through our Massey Ferguson how-to videos. It is now time to take full advantage of this dual display. It's your turn to try.